To open your hood, just below your steering column, there is a small lever. Just pull forward and it'll initially pop the hood. Then on the front of your hood, you'll need to slightly raise up. It won't open, so right inside to the left of the crease, you'll feel a small lever. Pull it to the right, and then you'll be able to lift the hood up. This is the lever that is hidden underneath of the hood. That will release it, and you'll be able to do what you need to do. To change your headlight bulb, there's room for your hand to go to the back or in the front. You may need both hands, but the first part is to remove the rubber lid. There are some tabs that might help with this, but your rubber tab or the rubber cover just pops right off, pulling out straight. The headlight bulb itself will take a quarter turn in this rotation for your driver's side. Once I have this out of here, I'll show you how that twist happened. The bulb will be located in there like this. So you will do a quarter turn to release it, and you'll pull it straight back. The bulb itself, there is a plastic tab. You'll push down on this plastic tab to release it and pull straight off the plug. You'll be able to replace your bulb. You can see if the bulb is burnt or not by looking in the filament on the inside to see that it is connected to both pins. Don't touch your bulbs because the smears will affect your lighting, and if possible, you want to keep moisture off of these to make them last longer. And you always want to make sure you try and prevent moisture making it into the housings. To reinstall the new bulb, snap it straight in. This is an H11 bulb. You'll feel it click. You'll be able to put it right back into the hole that it came from. And to help guide, you can usually look through the lens in the front and see where you've lined up to guide the bulb into its hole. You'll need to line up the 3 markings that were on the bulb. To be able to line it up with its location again. And then you'll give it that same quarter twist once you have it in place. And you'll feel it lock in. And looking into the housing, you'll see that the bulb is pointed straight and solid. The rubber cover goes right back on the same way it came off. Always be sure to replace this cover back on. Again, trying to prevent any kind of moisture ending up in the housing that we don't want there. So be sure that it has a good firm seal and that it's not wrinkled or not quite in its location. It should be pretty obvious when the seal has met all the way around. You may have to keep working it until it is nice and solid. But the same procedure goes for the lower bulb and the top bulb.